Hi, I'm Tim Knox. I'm a business analyst with the product group here at McLeod Software.
Hello, I'm Ben Barnes, Director of IT Services here at McLeod.
Mark, I understand there's a new way for our customers to participate in the benchmarking program on operation performance that was established last year with Katz, Sapper, and Miller.
Oh, you bet, Kim. We've made some really good changes in this program for 2015. Last year we worked with KSM, and KSM, Katz, Sapper, Miller, is a large CPA and consulting firm serving the transportation industry. What we wanted to do was create an operations benchmark initiative that would let truckload carriers compare the same key metrics for their full year for 2013. Now, participation was free last year. It didn't cost anything except the work level that it took to produce the input for the benchmark report and submit it to KSM. I want to point out that McLeod Software does not receive any of the data from any participant in this study. We only get to see the same final consolidated results that all the participants get to see. As an independent CPA firm, KSM enters into a written confidentiality agreement with each company. And that protects the confidentiality of your data if you decide to participate. Even to the point that if we don't have enough participants with enough data from a particular segment about a particular metric, we'll exclude that metric to ensure the anonymity of everybody's data. Now, the big news for McLeod customers this year is that we've developed a standard report to produce the input for this benchmark study. If you're running McLeod Loadmaster Enterprise 10.0 or later, you can receive this report for free at no charge. Just contact your account support manager and you'll receive a free copy to run. Now, participants can then submit their 2014 report to KSM along with the confidentiality agreement, and this summer you'll receive a full copy of the benchmark study results. This will dramatically reduce the time it takes to create the input file for McLeod customers and participate in the study. And again, the benchmark study itself remains free this year. Kim, why don't you tell them why this study is so valuable?
KPIs that come in this report, the list is long. But there's a few critical ones that you're likely already using in your business that you're going to count on. Rate per mile, deadhead percentage, average length of haul. Perhaps it might also be the number of trucks that you're getting utilization out of. Many other ones are included in this report. Now, if you choose not to participate in the report that's going to compare you against your peers, that's going to be okay. You can still use it to compare yourself year over year, month over month, week over week. But we'd encourage you to take advantage of the ability to compare to the peers within your marketplace and your freight space. Folks just like you that allow you to understand where you are. If you're above average, maybe you are average, maybe below average, you need to make some changes. You have objective evidence at your fingertips that you can use to help move your business forward. And this report is going to be an invaluable part of what you have to work with within the McLeod system.
Kim, I'm thinking that getting on board with this benchmarking program is one of the biggest no-brainers of all time for a truckload carrier. I mean, it's going to be so valuable whether you're a McLeod customer or not.
That's absolutely right, Mark. There's just no way that the benefits can't be brought into your business. The ability to use this information to be able to understand what's going on internally, compare yourself to external pieces of information, it's just going to be huge. I just hope everyone's able to put it to work right away.
Give us a call. It's time for you to get on board right now. If you want to learn more about this benchmarking program, come to the McLeod Software website and click on the button on our homepage about the 2015 benchmark program. We'll give you a lot more information. And if you're ready to get the benchmark report for your Loadmaster system, contact your McLeod support account manager to learn how to download, install, and run that program.
Hi, I'm Tim Knox. I'm a business analyst with the product group here at McLeod Software. Today, I'll be telling you about Market Insight, a private data exchange available only to McLeod Powerbroker and Loadmaster customers on versions 12 and above. But first, a quick note. Market Insight was formerly known as Carrier Broker Exchange. We've changed the name because we realized that, along with comparative rate data and available orders, the system gives the user an incredible amount of insight into things like market conditions, trends, capacity, rates, and much more. We created Market Insight for two reasons. First, to give you quick access to average paid and billed rates from McLeod customers that you can't get anywhere else. Secondly, to expose open orders posted by power brokers to loadmaster carriers, thereby encouraging commerce and the building of relationships among McLeod customers. Market Insight gives you the ability to compare the average paid and billed rates posted by your company and other McLeod customers using Market Insight, filtered by specific lanes, trailer type, and date range. Using the Rate Index feature, you can gain valuable pricing insight that is not available anywhere else because the rates are specifically those of McLeod customers using the Market Insight feature. By knowing not only your company's internal pay and build rates, but the average rates from other McLeod Insight users, you get all of the information you need to negotiate a better, more profitable rate for every load. Market Insight also makes it easy for you to do business with other McLeod customers on Market Insight. If you're a power broker, you know the faster you can expose your available orders to qualified carriers, the faster you can get that load in transit, delivered, and paid. If you're a Loadmaster user, you know the importance of quickly finding and securing legitimate orders from real brokers, not orders posted by someone who's just fishing on the load boards. You can rest assured that every available order on Market Insight is an actual order posted by a McLeod customer that you can do business with. At the end of the day, your business relies on your ability to not only move freight, but to do so quickly and profitably. That's what Market Insight is all about. For more information about putting Market Insight to work for your company, please contact your McLeod representative today.
Hello, I'm Ben Barnes, Director of IT Services here at McLeod Software. Today I'd like to take just a moment of your time and talk about a new service, McLeod's Virtual DBA. McLeod's Virtual DBA, or Virtual Database Administrator, is a service McLeod is providing to aid our customers in preventative database maintenance. Some items included in this preventative maintenance are monthly database backup verifications, monthly database performance tuning, the monthly benchmarking of the growth rate of the database. A really good one is monthly transaction log maintenance. And if you guys have filled up the transaction log, that one's for you. And proactive database alerts. So who's this for? Every McLeod customer has a database, but less than 5% have a database administrator on staff. So to give an example, if you have a vehicle and you drive it 100,000 miles, you never change the oil, you never look under the hood, how far do you think that vehicle will continue to go? A database is no different. If you never tune it, how long do you expect that database to last? So the results are a well-tuned McLeod database and peace of mind. For more information on McLeod's Virtual Database Administration, please contact your sales representative.